Hello everyone, it's David Swinowski here with Rubble Soapstone Kits, here to show you what comes in our Eagle Kits. So we have the small, medium, and large. In the smalls, again, smaller piece of stone. Good for youth, ages 5 all the way to adult. You're going to get some small instructions in there. 3 pieces of sandpaper in here. And because the stone is a bit smaller, the 60 mesh that's included in there is actually great for shaping that stone. And you can smooth it out, get rid of any scratches with the remaining 2. And then finish it up with that finishing oil. For the mediums and the larges, you are still going to get 3 pieces of sandpaper in there, 100 grit all the way to 600, but your primary shaping is going to be done with a steel rasp that is also included in that kit. You will get some basic instructions in the kit as well. If you're looking for some more detailed instructions, you can always check out our website at rubble-road.com for some downloadable PDF instructions that we have on there for you. You can also check out our YouTube channel. See some of our tips and tricks in there, from water usage to even possible breakage as well. How to glue a piece back together if you accidentally drop it. Feel free to write us at rubbleroadsoapstone@gmail.com. My name is David Swinowski with Rubble Road Soapstone Kits, and these are our Eagle Kits.